language because I understand the situation. You know, provided you call God Chuku, Chineke, Chiokike, you are an able person. You are an able person. You call water Mili. You are an able person. You trade on the 4 market days. That 4 sacred market days is a pointer, is an evidence that you needn't any soothsayer to tell you that you are an able person. You needn't any person, any professor to come and be typing, writing to you, telling you that when you say come as beer, come. Okay, in your language, what is come? What is come? Come. And you speak it beer. There's no other. I don't know. I'll check. Now this is the Ungwa people. Now you can find the people we usually refer as the Omo, the Omo. When because I grew up in Aba, you know, so there's this group of people we refer to the Omo, but they are within the Bendy or Hafia, you know. Everybody is in Ohafia, I know. So these are people. They have their dialect. So if you are not from maybe Ohafia or Ibere or Abriba, if you are not from this place, you might think all of them are speaking the same thing. But when you come there, when an Ohafia man speaks, you know that he's an Ohafia. When the Abriba man speaks, you will understand that he is from Abriba. You understand how this thing, how complex the Igbo language is. So the complexity of Igbo language must be understood. And that is why we are doing what we are doing. We are the Unified Igbos non proponents. We are doing what we are doing because it is it is important that really Igbo, the sensitization about our language, about who we are, how rich we are in culture, the sensitization should come, the sensitization, the enlightenment, the education should keep going. It should. Very, very important. Very, very important that it keeps going. It keeps